Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, it still looks to me like three waves up, three waves down, WX. I think we're going to end up making three waves up, which would be an ABC of wave Y, which I think will go up and take out these highs, probably eventually end up looking something like this. So let's take it down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me it does look like an uptrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a wave A of Y. I could label this a few different ways. I have it labeled as an A, B, C, D, E, but you could definitely call it a WXY of wave B. We are right at a fib level, but until it goes up and actually breaks structure, we can't say for sure that the wave B is over. But if we do get that nice clean structure break, I think that would be the beginning of a big uptrend, most likely for a wave C of wave Y, like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can really see that this thing is just continuing to make lower lows, lower highs the whole way down. Not one time has this thing broken structure, but we do have like a quad bottom right here, and we do have a pretty impulsive move up, and we do have interest rate news coming out today for the dollar, which I think could cause this to go up, break structure, proving that this whole move down is over, potentially the end of a wave B, and potentially the beginning of a big wave C of wave Y. Taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, this looks impulsive, like a trend, like a wave 1. I think this is a corrective looking like a wave 2. I think today's interest rate news for the dollar is more likely to cause this to go up, break structure, and it's probably going to be a wave 3. Probably, if it does happen, that would most likely convince me that we have the end of a wave B on the longer time frames, and that's going to be a really, really good opportunity to start building a position to the long side if that really is the case. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is a 1. This looks to me like three waves down, like a wave 2, right to the 61% Fibonacci level, as you can see. I think this is going to continue today to make higher highs, higher lows, and most likely it's going to go up and make a wave 3, potentially the beginning of a brand new uptrend on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.